Casey Boo! Welcome to the Christian world!
Living with no one to please. A fish in the ocean, river in motion. They're living wild and free. You've got one life, so go live it.
Hi Casey! Welcome to the Catholic world. Una sa lahat, congratulations and we wish you good health.
Good health and
Happiness.
happiness.
We love you.
Love you, Apo.
Yes.
Pangalawang Apo.
Decide if you see this through.
Bendisyon kundi yan ay pagiging unang hakbang ng pagiging anak ng Diyos at papunta siya sa langit. Yan po ang bibinyagan, no?
A lawyer, a teacher, a girlfriend, a preacher, thinking that
Welcome to the Christian world, Casey.
Wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki kang malusog and madasalin. May takot sa Diyos.
Wish ko is maging mabuti kang bata sa parents mo.
win it, breaking your doubts on the way. You've got something to believe in, but time waits for no feeling. Don't stop, it's yours to take. 'Cause it's you, only you, only you.
Ang wish ko lang sa kanya, for you, Casey, may Cassandra, maging mabuti kang anak ng Diyos. At syempre, sundin mo yung mga magulang mo, which is kami. And lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos.
Ang wish ko is lumaki kang kind, lumaki kang God-fearing, strong-willed, masayahing bata, yung tutok sa pag-aaral din, and respectful.
Cause it's you, only you, only you. Say like you know it's true. Only you.
Marami na siyang signs na mga pinagmamanahan niya.
Oo.
Oo.
May mga ayan Ben. may mga ginagawa siya, may mga parang activity si Casey na sa kanya niya talaga namana, pero feeling ko yung ugali namana niya sa akin. Manang-mana niya sa akin yung ugali.
Pag mainit, pinapawisan agad. That's me.
Shake up your soul, throw your hands in the air, throw your hat in the ring, throw your hips and your heart into everything. Turn the world on a string, turn the winds on a dime, turn the wind to the west and the water to wine. Get lost in the crowd, get down on the floor, let's dance with everybody who came through that door. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Get down on the floor, let's dance with everybody who came through that door.
Welcome to the Catholic world. Congratulations. Happy Christmas. I wish you a good life. And sana maging mabait ka sa parents mo. Huwag ka Thank you po.
Aking apo, dahil ikaw ay babae, tuturuan kita kung paano magkaroon ng boyfriend na tapat.
Na ikaw ay gagabayan namin ni Dadits Jana sa paglaki mo, and we will guide you hanggang sa maabot mo yung dreams mo sa buhay, and hindi namin papabayaan na lumaki ka ka na aawayin ng iba. Kasi within the house, ikaw yung prinsesa. So lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari na ito ngayon is dahil yung pagmamahal natin sa Pina. So we call sa kanya na Pina kasi yung naging unang nickname niya before maging Casey. So welcome to Christian World and we love you, Pina.
Casey, please always remember na lahat ng ginagawa ni Mom and Dad is para sa'yo. So huwag mong kakalimutan yan. No? Yan. So, happy christening. Welcome to the Christian World.
Welcome to the Christian world. Ang wish ko for you is, I promise to always support you. Nandito lang kami ng family for you. Love you, Casey.
This night is on fire like never before. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Came through that door.
Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata. Ngayon lang. And sana healthy ka lang palagi.
Yes,
Yan.
health is wealth.